Welcome to the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday morning, June 25th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of technology news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Biomed news breaks. HealthLinked Corp., OTCQB, HLYK, partners with Enlink to advance hospital data integration. HealthLinked Corp., a healthcare technology and patient engagement company, has partnered with Enlink, a data integration firm, to enhance EMR connectivity and workflow automation across hospital systems. Led by Ruben Vieira, Enlink's platform in Puerto Rico serves over 300,000 members and supports two major hospital systems. Vieira, with over 25 years of healthcare IT experience, will help expand HealthLink's capabilities in real-time data integration. This collaboration also allows for the deployment of HealthLink's tools like AI-driven insights and virtual care access across Enlink's client base. For more information about HealthLinked Corp., please visit www.healthlink.com. Cisco and Qualcomm extend Direction's edge in single stock, daily leveraged and inverse ETFs. Direction, a leading provider of ETFs for tactical traders and a pioneer in single stock daily leveraged and inverse ETFs, expanded its lineup with 4 new funds tracking Cisco Systems, Inc. and Qualcomm Incorporated. These funds offer amplified or inverse exposure to CSCO or QCOM via the Direction Daily CSCO Bull 2X ETF and Direction Daily CSCO Bear 1X ETF, or the Direction Daily QCOM Bull 2X ETF and Direction Daily QCOM Bear 1X ETF. Designed for active traders, these ETFs are built for short-term trading and are intended for experienced traders with a high risk tolerance. Direction's leveraged and inverse ETFs track the price of a single stock, offering no diversification benefits. Investors should carefully consider the risks associated with seeking leveraged investment results. For more information, visit the Direction website.
Avenue Z announces strategic promotions fueling next phase of rapid growth. Avenue Z has announced strategic promotions, promoting 3 team members into key roles leading strategic communications, media relations, and AI optimization. Libby Wilcox is now Vice President and Managing Director of Avenue Z New York, Bristol. Jones is Vice President and Managing Director of Avenue Z Miami, and Vincent Nezer is Vice President of Strategic Delivery. These promotions reflect Avenue Z's commitment to nurturing talent and attracting top-tier leaders. CEO Jeffrey Herzog emphasizes the importance of invisible influence, built through strategy, technology, and precision. Avenue Z, a tech-driven marketing agency, specializes in AI optimization and driving influence across all channels.
FAA policy and global demand are creating new lift for drone-focused stocks. The global commercial drone market is projected to grow from $10.2 billion in 2023 to over $35 billion by 2030, driven by regulatory approvals, automation advances, and wider enterprise and government adoption. In the U.S., the FAA is finalizing Part 108 to enable beyond visual line-of-sight drone operations, removing a key barrier to scale. Xenatech, Nasdaq Xena, is leading the charge by acquiring traditional service providers and transitioning them into subscription-based drone operations, reporting a 92% revenue increase in Q1 2025. Ondas Holdings, Nasdaq ONDS, is making waves with its autonomous drone systems, securing a $14.3 million order and expanding its drone revenue backlog. Dragonfly Inc., Nasdaq DPRO, is gaining traction in defense and public safety markets with its modular drone platforms, while Egg Eagle Aerial Systems, NYSE UAVS, is positioning itself as a key stakeholder in defining future drone policy and infrastructure, recently forming a strategic alliance in India's agriculture sector.
Punyam Academy launched ISO 37001-2025 Lead Auditor e-learning course. Punyam Academy PV Ltd. has launched a new ISO 37001 2025 Lead Auditor Training Course as an online e-learning program. This course is designed for auditors, compliance professionals, and managers, providing structured training on anti-bribery management systems and audit processes. Participants can study at their own pace from any location and receive an internationally recognized ISO 37001-2025 Lead Auditor Certificate upon successful completion. The course covers all ISO 37001-2025 requirements in detail, including anti-bribery risk management, internal audit procedures, audit terminology, and corrective action processes. With expert audio-visual lectures, real-world examples, and downloadable handouts, learners have access to comprehensive study materials. This flexible e-learning format makes auditor training accessible worldwide, allowing repeated review of materials until the final exam is passed. To learn more or enroll in the ISO 37001-2025 Lead Auditor course, visit Punyam Academy's website.
Link Secured announces expanded colocation space availability in downtown Los Angeles. Link Secured, a leading provider of secure colocation, dedicated server, and virtual private server solutions, has announced new colocation space availability in its downtown Los Angeles data center. This expansion ensures businesses of all sizes have access to reliable, scalable, and secure data center solutions in one of the country's most dynamic digital markets. Link Secured's facility offers scalable rack, cage, and private suite space, redundant power and cooling systems, high-speed network connectivity, physical security, and compliance with industry standards. Organizations can maintain control over their hardware and software while benefiting from the reliability, security, and connectivity of a world-class data center. For more information, visit Link Secured's website.
Creative Biolabs facilitates neuroscience research with an advanced electrophysiology platform. Creative Biolabs is advancing neuroscience research with their advanced electrophysiology platform. By utilizing electrode chip technology and calcium signaling, researchers can monitor and stimulate neuronal activity for neural interfaces, brain-machine interactions, and disease modeling. Their high-performance tools allow for precise measurement of pharmacological agents' effects on calcium signaling pathways in various samples, including cultured neurons and brain slices. With an advanced electrophysiology platform, researchers can analyze neuronal activity in real time for drug efficacy analysis and high-throughput screening. Creative Biolabs also offers innovative microfluidic techniques for cell capture, sorting, and organ chip development, replicating living organisms' microenvironment for studying cells, tissues, and organs. Visit their website for more information on their cutting-edge technologies and upcoming webinar on neural circuits of survival.
Verdigris Technologies names Energy Hub 360 as global growth partner to accelerate AI-driven energy intelligence in commercial real estate. Verdigris Technologies has named Energy Hub 360 as its global growth partner for the commercial real estate sector. This partnership aims to bring unparalleled energy intelligence, efficiency, and operational foresight to building portfolios worldwide. Energy Hub 360 will empower asset owners, managers, and operators with transformative energy insights, predictive diagnostics, and capital planning precision. By streaming high-fidelity data into machine learning models, Energy Hub 360 can pinpoint waste, uncover risks, and drive asset value year after year. Each engagement starts with a 360 live assessment, providing stakeholders with clear visibility and a tailored energy roadmap. This collaboration between Verdigris Technologies and Energy Hub 360 opens new frontiers in the broader commercial landscape, delivering immediate value and long-term resilience to clients across North America and key international markets.
Investor news breaks. Beeline Holdings, Inc., BLNE, surpasses $1 billion in loans as AI mortgage platform scales nationwide. Beeline Holdings, Inc., BLNE, has exceeded $1 billion in loans, showcasing 38% year-over-year growth in its first quarter as a public company. Utilizing AI technology, Beeline's subsidiary, Beeline Loans, Inc., offers innovative tools like Chatbot Bob and Engine Hive, enabling loan closings in as little as 14 to 21 days. Since merging with Eastside Distilling in October 2024, Beeline has achieved a Net Promoter Score above 80, demonstrating the success of its AI-driven platform. CEO Nick Liuzza highlighted the company's resilience in the face of market challenges and announced an upcoming equity product launch designed to provide liquidity for homeowners without adding debt. Beeline is expanding its digital lending platform nationwide, revolutionizing the mortgage process with speed, simplicity, and transparency.
IotaCom announces new corporate headquarters in Research Triangle region, expanding footprint in Chapel Hill's Innovation Hub. IotaCom Inc. proudly announces the relocation of its corporate headquarters to 200 West Franklin Street in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. This move signifies a strategic investment in the future of building a nationwide wireless carrier for the Internet of Things. By combining secure connectivity with smart infrastructure applications, IotaCom aims to enable intelligent communication in buildings and cities. The new headquarters offer a prime downtown location with access to UNC's research community. This move supports IotaCom's expansion of its LoRaWAN network and commercialization of Delphi 360 platform for real-time insights. The company remains committed to its operations in Lehigh Valley, PA, while leveraging the Chapel Hill location for national scalability and innovation.
D-Wave Quantum Inc. (NBE) partners with Yonsei University and Incheon City to advance quantum adoption in South Korea. D-Wave Quantum Inc. partners with Yonsei University and Incheon City to advance quantum adoption in South Korea. The MOU focuses on research collaboration, education, and commercial use case development. The collaboration aims to advance mutual research and talent development for quantum computing, provide access to D-Wave's quantum computing technology, and explore the development of use cases in biotechnology, materials science, and other areas. This strategic partnership is designed to accelerate quantum computing adoption and commercialization in South Korea, with plans to acquire a D-Wave Advantage 2 system at Yonsei University's international campus in Songdo, Incheon. This partnership marks a significant step forward in the region's quantum infrastructure ambitions.
URA taps into rising uranium demand amid booming interest in AI and nuclear. The rising demand for critical minerals, like uranium, is fueled by advancements in artificial intelligence and the push for more nuclear energy. Kazakhstan leads as the world's largest uranium producer, with growing sales to Asia. The U.S. is working to develop domestic uranium capacity to reduce dependence on foreign supply. Uranium prices hit an all-time high due to increased energy demand for AI data centers, but trade tensions may impact prices. With 61 nuclear power plants under construction globally and more in the planning stage, the demand for uranium is expected to rise. For traders interested in the uranium industry, Directions URA offers enhanced exposure to companies involved in uranium mining, exploration, and production.
Lahontan Gold Corp., LGCXF, positioning itself as a premier Nevada mine developer and explorer in today's gold market. Lahontan Gold Corp., listed on the TSX Venture Exchange as LG and on the OTCQB as LGCXF, is establishing itself as a leading Nevada mine developer and explorer in today's gold market. The company's focus is on the Walker Lane area, known for high-grade gold and silver discoveries. Lahontan's key project is the Santa Fe mine, with additional properties like West Santa Fe, Moho, and Redlich to bolster its potential. Operating through U.S. subsidiaries, this Canadian-based mineral exploration company offers investors exposure to both near-term development and exploration opportunities in Nevada's Walker Lane, a region renowned for its mining-friendly environment. With active drilling programs and a robust resource base, Lahontan is well-positioned for success in the competitive gold market. Verizon, America's most reliable 5G network, launches industry-leading AI-powered customer experience innovations. Verizon has launched industry-leading AI-powered customer experience innovations, transforming support for customers. This evolution introduces enhancements across customer care, digital services, and retail, setting a new standard in the industry. The focus is on using advanced AI to simplify and improve the customer experience. With personalized customer service, 24/7 live support, and a technologically advanced app, Verizon is committed to earning and maintaining customer trust and loyalty. Customers can now enjoy free prizes through Verizon Access, including concert tickets and giveaways. This transformation is built on America's fastest and most reliable 5G network, offering choice and exclusive savings. Learn more at verizon.com/wegotyu. Could wheat germ hold the key to supercharging immunotherapy? New research hopes to find out. An ongoing clinical trial at the Comprehensive Cancer Center at UC Davis is investigating whether fermented wheat germ could enhance outcomes for cancer patients undergoing immunotherapy. The study aims to determine if this could help patients live fuller lives or even overcome cancer. Kalidi Biotherapeutics, Inc. is also conducting research in this area. This research could potentially revolutionize immunotherapy treatments for cancer patients. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking study. BYD ships thousands of electric vehicles to Brazil ahead of tariff implementation. Chinese vehicle giant BYD is shipping thousands of electric vehicles to Brazil ahead of a progressive tariff program that will make importing EVs to the South American country increasingly costly. As China was locked out of the lucrative European and American auto markets via import tariffs, Chinese carmakers began looking for alternative markets to sell their affordable electric cars. In the U.S., enterprises like Massimo Group have an opportunity to capitalize on this shift in the market. Green Car Stocks is a specialized communications platform focusing on electric vehicles and the green energy sector, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications solutions for companies looking to reach a wide audience.
Gold edged lower, while Trump was undecided on attacking Iran. By the end of last week, the price of gold had dropped to $368. Despite the drop, the global economic backdrop continues to favor the precious metal, with rising geopolitical tensions and increasing demand from central banks providing support. Regardless, it is unlikely there's much room for diplomacy left between the United States and Iran now. It remains to be seen how the situation will progress and how gold will perform as a result. Given that geopolitical risks and conflicts drive investors towards safe haven investments like gold, it is likely that the price of the precious metal could continue its climb. Companies like Platinum Group Metals Limited, American PLG, PTM, could benefit from this.
Dario Health's platform solves GLP-1's biggest problem, new research shows, while trading at 1% of Hinge Health's $3 billion valuation. Dario Health Corp. Unveiled research findings addressing a critical challenge in the weight loss market. GLP-1 users saw significant improvements, with blood glucose levels dropping from 9.0% to 6.7%. Even after stopping medication, users maintained stable outcomes for at least 6 months. Dario Health's AI platform achieved 89% accuracy in forecasting glucose levels, positioning the company to meet demand. With DRIO shares trading at 69 cents and a market cap of $30 million, the company appears undervalued compared to peers like Hinge Health. Dario Health's multi-condition platform offers comprehensive value to health plans and employers. The company's recent research validates its approach to sustainable weight management, highlighting potential upside for investors. Dario Health aims for operational cash flow break-even by the end of 2025, showing progress toward improved financial performance. Healthcare Triangle Inc. (HCTI) announces enterprise-wide cost optimization plan. Healthcare Triangle Inc., listed on NASDAQ as HCTI, has announced a new enterprise-wide cost optimization plan. The initiative aims to reduce pre-acquisition expenses by up to $1.8 million annually. This plan is part of HCTI's commitment to improving financial performance and long-term growth in its digital healthcare assets. Key focus areas include aligning workforce and resources with revenue-generating priorities, eliminating redundancies, leveraging automation and AI, and optimizing vendor relationships. The company's COO and CFO are confident that this initiative will drive efficiency, improve shareholder value, and foster innovation for clients. For more information, visit healthcaretriangle.com.
QR Tiger highlights explosive growth of Venmo QR codes in revolutionizing business payments. QR Tiger QR code generator reports a surge in Venmo QR code adoption as contactless payments reshape commerce. With the QR code payment market projected to reach $51.58 billion by 2032, Venmo is leading the way in modernizing business transactions. In 2024, Venmo transactions increased by 8.9% year over year, with over 2 million U.S. sellers now accepting Venmo. Businesses are leveraging Venmo QR codes for instant payments without specialized hardware, offering speed, security, and scalability. QR Tiger emphasizes the importance of QR code payments in enhancing customer experience and streamlining transactions.
Skynet appoints Gary Tillery to board of directors to strengthen leadership and drive strategic partnerships. Skynet Cloud Systems appoints Gary Tillery to its board of directors, bringing over 35 years of industrial software development, system integration, strategic partnerships, and M&A experience. Tillery, previously with Aviva, will help shape Skynet's industrial software portfolios and drive global growth strategies. His expertise in M&A and strategic portfolio management will support Skynet's efforts to evaluate new market opportunities and build relationships with global partners. Tillery's leadership will be instrumental as Skynet continues to expand its market presence and deliver value to customers embracing Industry 4.0 and industrial AI.
ABVC Biopharma converts strategic note into equity in AIBTL Biopharma, commits to up to $20 million in total investment. ABVC Biopharma Inc. has converted its $100,000 convertible note into 10,000 shares of AIO Biopharma Inc. at a conversion price of $10 per share. ABVC plans to invest up to $20 million in AIBTL over time, supporting its role as a lead strategic investor. AIBTL will use the funds to fulfill licensing obligations and collaborate with global pharma partners for Phase 3 development. ABC's capital-light strategy involves investing in partners through a combined licensing and equity model. AIBTL holds exclusive global rights to ABVC's two CNS drug candidates, ABV 1504 and ABV 1505. ABVC aims to benefit from future milestone and royalty revenues as AIBTL succeeds in advancing its pipeline.
Medicus Pharma Limited. Novel treatment for basal cell carcinoma could upend the $15 billion market. Medicus Pharma Limited is making waves in the skin cancer treatment market with its revolutionary new approach to treating basal cell carcinoma. By utilizing a patented dissolvable microneedle patch, the company aims to deliver a chemotherapeutic agent to kill tumor cells and prevent cancer recurrence. Preliminary trial results have shown promising outcomes, with over 60% of subjects achieving complete clinical clearance. With a potential market size of over $15 billion annually for BCC procedures, Medicus is well positioned to capture a significant share if SkinJect is approved. Additionally, the company's recent acquisition of Antev Limited further expands its market opportunities in the cancer treatment space. Investors looking for a unique opportunity in cancer treatment should keep an eye on Medicus as it continues to make strides in the industry.
Neuralbase debuts smart chatbot platform aimed at transforming enterprise workflow. Neuralbase AI Limited, known as BMP AI, has unveiled its early prototype of an enterprise AI chatbot platform aimed at revolutionizing business workflows. Unlike traditional chatbots, this platform integrates with enterprise systems, providing context-driven intelligence based on real-time data to streamline operations. CEO Vignesh Dobal sees this as the start of a powerful evolution towards a fully customizable assistant. Future enhancements include multilingual support, industry-specific AI agents, integrations with CRM and ERP tools, enhanced reasoning, and end-to-end encryption for data security. As businesses seek agile and intelligent solutions, Neuralbase is poised to meet the demand with a focus on automation that complements human decision-making. Caregivers now ask about communication technology during senior living interviews. Senior living operators are noticing a shift in job candidate priorities during interviews, with a focus on specific technology. Smartphone-based caregiver communication tools, like those offered by Notify, are becoming crucial in hiring decisions. This trend is driven by a desire for modern tools over outdated equipment, such as legacy nurse call systems. Notify's cost-effective software solution allows communities to modernize without replacing existing hardware, improving caregiver satisfaction and streamlining communication. With workforce retention rates low in the senior living industry, technology preferences are becoming key factors in keeping staff happy and engaged. By meeting these expectations, operators can ensure they have adequate care teams to meet the growing needs of an aging population.
Creative Biolabs leads the charge in liposome development. Creative Biolabs is leading the charge in liposome development, offering advanced platforms and technologies to support lipid-based drug delivery research. With a variety of liposome types available, including conventional, PEG-ylated, and cationic liposomes, they aim to enhance biologic stability and release profile. By providing innovative liposome products for applications like anti-cancer therapies and vaccines, Creative Biolabs is revolutionizing drug therapies. Their experienced team is dedicated to bringing the latest solutions to customers' therapeutic needs, ensuring tailored solutions and end-to-end technical support. As the biopharmaceutical industry evolves, Creative Biolabs remains committed to advancing liposome technologies and driving medicine forward. Social Pilot unveils TikTok strategy guide, backed by 1.5 million posts. Social Pilot, a leading social media management platform, has unveiled a TikTok strategy guide based on the analysis of over 1.5 million posts. The guide offers insights on posting frequency, caption length, hashtag optimization, and video length for optimal engagement on the platform. This data-backed resource aims to simplify the noise and provide actionable data for marketers to build smarter strategies for TikTok's success. The guide has already trended within industry circles and received positive feedback. Social Pilot continues to invest in research to empower small teams to compete with larger players in the digital landscape. The full TikTok strategy guide is available for free download on their website.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.